Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit a slow motion video on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So if you have recorded a slow motion video, you can still edit it after recording it by going to Google Photos app. So first let's open the app drawer and then let's go to the Google Photos app over here. Now in Google Photos you need to find the slow motion video. So in this case I have mine over here. And once you do that, if you tap on it, you'll open the timeline and these arrows, sorry, not arrows, triangles over here on both sides, which can be adjusted. You can move them around in order to adjust the moment when the slow motion effect happens. So if you don't want to have this slow motion effect for the whole video, then you can just select the area when it is being slow motion, when it slows down. And in addition to that, we can also tap the edit button over here in the middle of the screen at the bottom. And here we can do some additional adjustments, like we can crop the video, we can rotate it, we can also make some adjustments by adjusting brightness, contrast, white point, highlights, and so on and so forth. We also have some filters and markup options. Keep in mind that some effects are locked behind the Google One subscription, for instance the HDR effect, and if you make a use of that option, then you will not be able to save it. So let's say I'm gonna just adjust the brightness a little bit. Let's press done. After that you can save the copy, so tap on this button and then you should be able to have your file saved, and you should be able to find it in your Google Photos or Google Files apps. Let's wait a couple of seconds to let the device save the video, and there we go, saved. So if you go back, then over here I suppose this should be the edited one, and in addition to that we can also adjust the speed one more time. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.